All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy. So today was mad easy, bro. We just waited. The market was choppy in the beginning. Um, I said on the watch list, I told you guys that be careful. We got a lot of news, so expect volatility. I wouldn't go crazy heavy because we're still in the ranges. So I was really just gonna watch Meta and Tesla at first, which ended up hitting. Meta's reject. This little retest was nice. 627 and 617 would have been a nice trade, but I didn't take that one. Tesla didn't really look that pretty to me, but SPY did. So on the 1 hour time frame, which is what I was watching, we came up, and I thought we were gonna go try to sweep that 64.40 up there, but we never did. We got a reject. So as soon as it started rejecting right there, hopped on the 5 minute, and then we saw that we broke below. So we swept pre-market highs, and then we went below market open, right? So in between sweeping the London highs and market open lows, we created a 15-minute fair value gap, which you just go half of, right? And then candle close above that 669.90. So I did 670. Candle close at 670 was going to be a stop loss, and then continue down. So literally, we entered right here around, what's this? We entered around 668, 669, right? I said save room to add right by the stop loss. So I say right here, it's an inside day. I'm just entering a put here because we swept London highs and then broke below open price, right? And then I said on the intraday levels, I said that entering SPY puts here, going to target London lows at 663. Stop loss will be $1, so about 670. Looking to add there as well. Then we had a great question in the chat. It was like, what do you mean stop loss is 670, but you're going to add there? So I said, I want to add right here, but if this candle closes this strong, then I'm going to get out, right? But if it wicks back below and closes under that 670, I'd like to add. So then that's exactly what happened. This candle wicked right back below and closed, and that was my add. So that is waiting for confirmation to add, right? I'm not going to go full size in a trade without the full retest yet. So then we got that confirmation on the wick, and I said, just like that, add it here. So now we got to push or it's invalidated. So same stop loss and same take profit. And then on the intradays, right, back to where I call it out at, we took a trim and then another trim and all out, right? So the first trim was this candle close right here. This was easy trim. And then the second trim was when I was trailing it. I put the second one right here. So this was second trim, and then this was all out, right? I just saw volume pick up. We're a little oversold, but I mean, it was a clean move to the downside. Sometimes I think I trail it too tight. Let's see what the 8 EMA is. I mean, that's pretty good. I'm happy with my exit. We hit 100% trade, so literally, yeah. Look at that, 50, 60, 70, 80. 120. I mean, that was a banger today, and it's rejecting right here. It probably will hit the full TP. I definitely think it will, but it's Friday. I'm not trying to be greedy about it. This whole move from 670 to 665 even is a fantastic play, right? And then just trimming, taking profits here, and then all out. Like that's ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's a great trailing trade and easy day. Also, today's the last day that'll be free. So the last day, 120% trade, schmacked, and the last free 100% trade. So at 3 o'clock today, everyone's gonna be kicked from the Discord. So make sure to hit that link if you guys want to get into the Discord. Just reach out to me, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll get you going. It's your boy Mike Lowy. We out.